Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the ESPN Plus app on your smart projector, follow these step-by-step instructions to stream sports content. Step 1. Turn on your smart projector and navigate to its App Store or streaming platform menu. Step 2. Search for the ESPN Plus app or ESPN app in the Available Applications section. Step 3. Download and install the ESPN Plus app on your smart projector device. Step 4. Open the ESPN Plus app after installation is complete. You'll see an activation code displayed on your projector screen. Step 5. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and visit espn.com/activate. Step 6. Log in with your ESPN account credentials. If you don't have an account or ESPN Plus subscription, sign up first. Step 7. Enter the activation code shown on your projector screen into the appropriate field on the website. Step 8. Click Activate or continue to link your smart projector to your ESPN Plus account. The app will refresh and grant you access to live sports, original shows, and exclusive ESPN Plus content on your projector. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.